everybody, I've come up here to the school to gather up your art club kits and put your names on them so that when you come up tomorrow night to pick up your packets from 6 to 7, I'm going to be here passing these kits out to my 3rd and 4th grade art club kids. I'm so sad that we're not together, that our time together has been cut short. I miss y'all so much. I miss our time together in the afternoon. I miss our great art making together. So I want to send these home. You can watch me on my YouTube channel, Miss Paintbrush, or you could do an Art for Kids Hub video. You could do a Draw So Cute video. You could do any of those that we love so much here at the school at home. But at least if you have your supplies with you, then you'd be able to work a little bit better. And I'd feel like that we're still working together, even if we can't see each other every day. So I love you. I miss you. Come up tomorrow, Friday afternoon, from 6 to 7. I'll be in the front of the building where a 3rd and 4th grade pickup for car pickup. I'll be around the U down there by the parking spaces waiting for you to come pick up these kits and see you guys. I can't hug you, I can't kiss you, but I can love you from afar. So I hope to see you soon. Love you.